Okay, good evening, guys. So today in this video, I will be talking about a trade that I took on New York section, New York Open. Okay, so I want you to focus on. We will before going to this chart. I want you to. I will go to another chart. Okay, so we will be doing forex.com chart. Okay, so basically, this video is all about gold trade that I took live. So I will show you on my real account also. So I want you to focus on this day here on New York section. Okay, so guys, I will show you why I took the trade. Everything before that going. Here is our all-time high, and here is a minor high. Minor like these are relative equal highs. Okay, so my uh, concentration on this short-time high. Okay, so this size, all this trend line liquidity. You see, all 1 hour trend line liquidity will be just okay. That trend line liquidity is taken, right? So I will be exiting trade and I will explain to you later. Okay, so uh, we'll go to back to our forex.com chart and explain what we have here. Okay, so basically I want you to focus here. Okay, so we have knockout uptrend. I have missed many trades, my super trades. Okay, so the thing is upon here is so we have our minor liquidity here and this trend line liquidity here. Okay, so I want you to focus on this day. That is 13th March 2025, New York section gold trade or XAUUSD trade. Okay, so before going to the details of the trade, I want you to focus on here. Okay, so we'll go to a minor time frame and see or why I was in a bullish trade today. Okay, so in this chart it is not showing accurately. Okay, so I will go to my personal chart and here you can see the after our 4:50 p.m. sorry 5 o'clock p.m. the market opens at 6 p.m. New York local time, and we had a small gap up. Okay, it was a small gap up opening. Okay, so what my what you say initiative was to not to take any trade on this Asian or London second because I didn't get any quality trade to end up. Okay, so what I did is wait for the New York to open and let's focus on what happened on this New York and London. Okay, so London before opening New York market went take out extra days high, it raised a little bit, again went up higher, consolidate here and given a market succession because the reason why I told you, okay, I will tell you, okay. You see, market closed here, opened here, came to somewhat midpoint of this gap, opening gap, okay. And I will I will show you it is. Uh, I want you to focus how it respected the midpoint of it, okay. And market went up, and we have this minor part of this gap opening to be filled. Okay. This fraction, this 0.52, this area, that is this area. Okay, this area was there to be filled on this day. Okay, so my main focus was on to fill this gap. So I expected it filled the gap and gone higher, making I will jump to that before that point. I want you to focus on one more thing. Okay, in 4 hour, if you look, we had this bullish fair value gap. Okay, so we had this bullish fair value gap. Okay, so I thought it could come on here and then go up and take out this all time high. Okay, so that was my initiative. Okay, or my guess or what I predicted. But anyway, that's fine. It came respected this no-day opening gap or this gap right here between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. New York local time. Okay, so again, I respected this area, went up higher, even a perfect or nice market structure shift. So I was looking on any area here to trade up. Okay, so and this is a perfect setup of mine. Okay, so before going to the details, I will go to the previous chart. Okay, because it's complicated to explain on this that chart. Okay, so I will just draw everything here. Market closed here. Market opened here. Okay, this was the gap. But in this chart, it is not actually visible. So I'm just marking out that point. Okay, so market went respected this gap or and went up higher. Pure market structure shift. Perfect. Everything was perfect, and we have this 5 minute unmitigated area. Okay, so in 1 hour chart, I want you to focus up here. Okay, so this was that 4 hour gap I mentioned earlier. And what we had here was this 1 hour gap. Okay, my main focus of the day is to catch a trade from this gap. Okay, so what I did was, and again I have some few points to. Here was your 830 something, right? I think there are some difference in this chart. Okay, it's not like this chart. Yeah, almost similar. Sorry. So it came to that 1 hour fair value gap, and we had our 830 here. There was some news here. Okay, so I didn't trade before like half an hour or after half an hour. I didn't trade on this. Okay, so this was our news. That was a manipulation on this news. Okay, so it was fine. Okay, then we have our 830 here, and there is a rule that I always follow: buy below 830 and sell above 830. Okay, this is a common rule that I use. Okay, it was actually from a guy or a good master that you all know, our inner circle trader. Okay, I will say, or he will copyright me. Okay, by ICT. It was not my words, it was only his words. All credit goes to ICT, okay, or Michael. Okay, it was his words, okay. So let's get to the trade that how it worked. Okay, so I was not expecting for a 1 hour, 1 minute, or the trade happened on 1 minute. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute. Market came to that 1 hour fair value gap. We had our relative equal highs all here. Okay, so this was also a good confirmation for my trade. Okay, so this was also a good confirmation for my trade. Okay, so this was the relative equal highs. Okay, all this was a relative equal high. Okay, and my uh, expectation or my this was to take out all these liquidities. Okay, because these are equal relative equal highs. Again, this is a concept by ICT. So that was I am looking for. And as before I told you about this uh, liquidity, that is the trend line liquidity on 1 hour on the daily. And this is our all-time high. Okay, this was all-time high. So what happened is in this trade, I actually didn't go for any market structure shift or anything like that because it's a perfect one that I expected to be go higher. Okay, because there's are the resting liquidities here. These liquidities are resting here all above all this the liquidity is pending. And we are below the 830 to buy on our side. And after coming to this 1 hour fair value gap, we got a this three part candles, good candles, okay. And I want you to have a closer look at this candle, okay. This particular candle that happened on 905. And you see, there was actually no wick to the downside of this candle, okay. When that's a pure 1 minute, it went up. And after this candle closes, I directly took entry from this fair value gap. It was a huge quantity, okay. I reached around 1.5 percentage on this trade. Sorry, 1 point close to 2 percentage, okay, on this trade. Okay, so first entry was from here, and I actually hope to enter from this fair value gap. Okay, but as, if you are also in the live market, it is live. Okay, not in a recorded section or replayed section. Okay, so the live market it gives a good like pullback from this fair value. So I'm like ended from this here somewhere. And stop loss just below this note here. Okay, so I just stop loss below this candle. And actually, my entry was to be taken from here. If it was taken from here, we could get a good RR. Okay, so I was hoping for that entry, but anyway, it didn't happen. And I entered from here somewhere on a small quantity. Okay, so again the same target was here. My first target was here. Okay, because this was the relative equal highs high. First target, second target, and third target, and this was the final target. Okay. And if you ask me, this could also be a final target because it's an all-time high. Okay. So before showing you that, hey, I'm 4 hour over. Oh man. Okay. So the trade was actually from here. Okay. So I will show you the execution on my personal chart. So this was the trade from here. Stop loss right here. $58. Actually, I don't position size on this paper trading. Okay, just take some quantities. That's all because it's not my main account or something like that. Okay, XAUUSD at time. If you just look at the time, there is 1917, around 717. Okay, now we are 7:30. Sorry, 6. I don't know what time this is, so I don't care at all. So buy from here. My actual buy entry shows me it could be from here somewhere. Went all the way. Again, I retest to this fair value cap. No, no, it again came and went to our target. I think today it will create an all-time high. Let me will check. Okay, so we have 15 minute fair value cap resting here. Okay, so either it could uh, come like this and create this new high somewhere over here, or it can directly go higher. Okay, so I'm not gonna trade on this area. Okay, because my trade for the day is over. Okay, so in live account, I will show you the execution or the today's profit. Okay, so we are back to 15,000 before going to my college. Tomorrow is the last day. I am here uh, on my hometown. Okay, so after tomorrow, I'm going to my college on Saturday even. So this was the trade that I took, XAUUSD, and I took this Nasdaq trade. Okay, it was also a fine 2 hour, but it doesn't go as I expected. Okay, so I wanted to focus on these two trades. Okay, it was happened on 13th March 2025. Uh, around this is not my local time. Okay, this is some other time showing. Okay, so I got just 786, seven something 761, and just $41 from on this trade. Okay, so in the last video, I have uh, told you I have to get rate from random, not random, from my Discord community, but it was not as expected. Fine, okay, so uh, I want you to have, I don't know, you take this rates as good or not, but if you never ever, okay, if your mind is saying that that's not gonna work, don't trade it, okay. And emotion also plays a big role. Okay, so yesterday my emotion was really bad. Okay, day before yesterday, it was a perfect like 10-hour trade for me. Okay, because I was not able to take the trade. Because my mind is saying that today you will find a good trade. If you didn't find a good trade, go to that Discord. They will find a good trade and like give it to you. Okay, but uh, yesterday I did the same. I can't show you my uh, phone apps. Okay, yesterday I just deleted my Discord from this. Okay, and I'm still my Discord is active on here. Okay, so I'm not gonna delete it from here. I have some my personal Discord channel, and I don't fucking want my Discord to be on my phone. That's something I don't like. So I think today we will get another all-time high today. Maybe. Let's hope. Okay, thank you for watching, and I just want to explain the trade that I have to call um, this here. Okay, but actually, I have took the trades from somewhere over here. This whole candle was a good capture, but I hoped for to take out this low, but I didn't took out this low. And it went up higher to this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. Oh, I missed this trade too, bro. So before concluding this video, I will try to explain what happened here. Okay, so we have a clear 1 hour inverse fair value gap here, 1 hour fair value gap here, again 1 hour fair value gap here. Okay, It respected this fair value gap. Nobody closed above it, which don't tell the story, okay. Body tells the story, which tells the tales. So I was waiting for some kind of market structure shift or something like that. But anyway, this is not a good trade for me. Okay, I won't take it in. But it's no problem. Okay, then thank you for watching, guys. So we will see you on another video if possible. Uh, tomorrow if I'm gonna take any shits. Okay, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.